Hello, and welcome to this video on how to access Metamask on the Chrome browser. If you're new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. At the top, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar, type Metamask, and press Enter on your keyboard. In the search results, click on the first result with the Fox logo. This will open the Metamask page. Since I already have Metamask downloaded, I'll explain the process if you haven't downloaded it yet. There will be a download button instead of a View Metamask Portfolio button. Click on the download button, which will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Click the Install button, and after the installation, you'll be asked if you want to add Metamask to your extensions. Accept this request. Once you've done that, look at the top right-hand side of Chrome. There will be an icon. When you hover over it, it will say Extensions. This icon is to the left of the download icon. Click on the Extensions icon, and a list of your added extensions will appear. Find Metamask in this list and click on it to open Metamask. That's how you access Metamask on Chrome. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like. Thank you.